What's up, guys? Welcome to Backwoods Farm. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the new 12 acres that we purchased to expand the farm. Let's go ahead and get on the four-wheeler and I'll bring you around. Before we go on the four-wheeler, I'm going to show you the front. All this was like 3 foot of weeds when we first bought it. Mobile homes going there. Probably have 1 or 2 acres in the front that's cleared out. We also have another one that's going there. My sister will be living there. Still got a big burn pile to burn up. So now we'll go ahead and get on the four-wheeler. Probably a little loud, but I'm gonna try to talk once I stop. I'll be able to turn the four-wheeler off. Might be a little bumpy ride. To the back. As you can see right here, we still have a lot of work to do back here. This is about as high as what the front was when we first purchased the land. It's hard to see it now, but right in this area right here is where we'll put the chickens. And then back over here in that corner, we'll have our rabbits and quail. And then all this, all the way as far as we can go, will be the garden. So let's continue and I'll show you where we're gonna put the pigs. Back pretty far. I'll try to get all this grass bush hog today, and if I do, I'll take a picture. That way you can, or maybe a little video, let you see what it looks like once it's cleared out, and then you can actually see where we're going to be putting everything better since it'll be cut. Right in this hole right here. I'll get off this four-wheeler so we can see it. Come down in here. So we're going to clean all this out, leave a bunch of these trees in here, the way they'll have something to rub on and all that stuff. But they got a lot of leaves to root through, and there's some water that's back there that they can be playing in. We're going to go to the other side with the pen. And they'll have this water to play in. We'll build them a shelter and all for during the winter time, because they're not gonna need it in the summer, because this is all shaded. This stays shaded all day long. So now we'll continue to the back, and this road takes you right to the Tickfaw River, where there's also good fishing back there. There's a lot of catfish, perch, and bass in there. Just put this culvert in yesterday where we can pass through here with the tractor. We got some very nice cypress trees in here. There's another one right here on this side. makes a circle around these trees right here. You can see right around that side it goes back around. So we're going to clean all that out, and this will kind of be like the hangout area. Probably like during the winter time or something. We can hang out back here, with make a fire, stuff like that. See, it just goes around, comes back around to where we at now. Right at the end of this right here is where the Quail River is. You can see it just steady flows. It's brown water, but it's very clean. You can see the bottom. We also still have a lot of work to do out here too. There's another trail right there. We got to cut up that tree that fell. We had to cut down that old pine tree. As you can see, it doesn't have any more bark on it. But that's the back of that property. That's 1,500 feet from the road all the way back here. So we pretty much in the middle of the property right now, and we still have 350 feet on both sides of this road that we own right now. But like I said, we don't have any access to that side because we haven't even got back here. We only been it took us a month to clean up the front, and we just got our dirt pads done this week. So we should be getting mobile homes moved in pretty soon. Once we move in, then we can start, we'll work our way back here. Eventually, we'll get it all done and get it right like we want it. So I'm gonna take y'all down this trail right here. It's this, it follows right along the river, cuts back. I'll just give you a little tour. Let's see what it looks like back here. It's pretty neat. This trail was already made whenever we bought the property. Got a lot of trees just down back here that's still has to be cleaned up. We were told there's a lot of turkeys, a lot of wild hogs, and a lot of deer. We've seen a bunch of turkeys. We haven't seen deer yet. I'm guessing because we've been riding on this trail back here and all the stuff that's going on in the front with when we had the bulldozer and all that stuff out here. But I'm assuming they're going to come back once everything calms down. I'm going to bring you all the way to the end of this trail. I want to show you one of the biggest cypress trees I've ever seen in my life. But it's full of magnolia trees out here. It's got a bunch of oak, white oak, just different kind of stuff out here. This is probably one of the biggest pine trees I've seen. It's hard to tell in the camera, but it's almost 3 feet wide looking at it like that, and it just goes up forever, probably like 150 feet up. I have another one right here, it's massive, and it just goes up. You can't see the top, but this right here is one of the biggest cypress trees I've ever seen in my life. And this thing right here, let me get off of this bike. I'll try to let you see how high this thing goes up. It just goes forever. It's way up there. And then this trail goes, it actually goes to like a little beach. I can drive up there, but I'm just gonna walk. The river just keeps flowing around. I mean, it's like a little beach. It's not nothing special, but goes down. Real good fishing. You can swim in there. All that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my way back up to the front. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I've been busy trying to find land to expand the farm. I've finally done that, and but don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell so you'll know when my next video comes out, because this is going to be a long journey, and if y'all want to take the journey with us from start to finish one day, I'll be more than glad to keep making these videos. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Well, we got a lot of it cut down. That's just a big old pile of brush right there that we burning. We had another one back there. And once that's burned out, then we can clean all of that out of there. But it's looking a lot better.